Hey everyone, Mark at Nightingale University, and we're going to highlight the movements today of our new heavy-duty Sherman heavy-duty chair. The chair, as you see it, folks, is a task chair. It's rated for users up to 450 pounds for a 24-hour, 7-day application, all day, everyday usage. The Sherman also comes in a drafting stool height option, and that's for folks weighing up to 350 pounds. It can now sit in a drafting stool height. Okay, and so we're just going to move right into the chair, start showing you some of the movements. Okay. On your right hand side, your back lever is for your gas lift, and that lifts you higher up or as low as you like to sit for your comfort level. Your front lever is your tilt lock. Okay, so it locks upright, or you can have it up in a free floating position. Okay, and your tension to control the tightness, the resistance or lack thereof for your back recline is found right underneath at the very front bottom of your seat pan. Okay, our arms on our Sherman. Okay, these are attached. Very important. These are attached to the frame and not the seat pan, and that's because folks of a heavier weight will use the arm to help assist themselves in and out of the chair. Our top arm pad, soft and comfortable, but it's also a heavy-duty arm pad on the top we have here. These arms are on a width adjustment system. There's a knob underneath on each side. You simply turn that, and you're going to be able to widen your arms, bring them out. Okay, so they just slip out for extra width, and to adjust them up and down, you have a dial system, and you simply dial it up or dial it down. Okay, now a really great feature to our Sherman is how these recess or drop back. They're called fold-away arms. You simply lift them up, and they fold right back for you. And so you can see someone who needs to get in and out of the chair quickly can convert this chair very quickly to essentially an armless chair. Okay, and we'll just lift it back up. It drops into a precast cut. You have a heavy-duty base, heavy-duty caster, and this is our Sherman from Nightingale, and you can find out more at nightingalechairs.com.